Hey Matt, I found some more stuff because I went to great measures, is that the right, oh well, whatever, to find this stuff, like crawling under my bed trying to find it. Not that I keep your stuff under the bed. Anyway, this is Daniel thinking of a computer. Oh man, that's pretty good. A giraffe skateboarding on the moon. It says moon skate free admission. Apparently this is you on a skateboard. I think I drew this. But it says Matt on skateboard. Disco Mona Lisa. And this is probably the saddest thing I found. It was in my language arts section, or my lit section of my binder from last year. Allison, this is from Matt. I'm not here anymore. See ya. Come back to public school, please. Please. I got this big pin for Christmas. And these cute penguins. Okay, well,